What if I told you that you could grow a beautiful peace lily without using a single handful of soil? Imagine a stunning plant with glossy green leaves and elegant white flowers growing in nothing but water, displayed in a clear glass vase like a living work of art. It sounds impossible, but thousands of plant lovers are discovering that peace lilies can thrive in water when given the proper care. Growing a peace lily this way is not only beautiful, but it's also cleaner and easier to maintain. You won't have to worry about messy potting soil spilling onto your table or dealing with many soil-dwelling pests. Plus, seeing the roots through a glass container allows you to monitor your plant's health at any time. The secret lies in choosing a healthy plant, providing clean water, and maintaining the right environment. In today's video, I'll show you 5 simple steps to transform an ordinary peace lily into a stunning hydroponic masterpiece. Step 1. Choose a healthy peace lily. Journey to growing a peace lily in water starts by selecting a healthy plant. This step may seem simple, but it can determine whether your hydroponic project succeeds or fails. Look for a mature peace lily with vibrant green leaves and strong stems. Avoid plants with yellow leaves, brown tips, or signs of insects and disease. If your peace lily is already growing in soil, gently remove it from the pot and loosen the soil around the roots. Next, rinse the roots under lukewarm water until every bit of soil is gone. Take your time because leftover soil can decay in water and encourage bacterial growth. Once the roots are clean, inspect them carefully. Healthy roots are usually white or cream-colored and firm to the touch. Trim away any dark, mushy, or damaged roots using clean scissors. Starting with healthy roots gives your peace lily the best chance of adapting successfully to its new water-only environment. Step 2. Select the right container choosing. The right container is another important secret to successfully growing a peace lily in water. A clear glass vase is often the best option because it lets you see the roots and monitor water quality. Select a container that is wide enough to hold the root system comfortably, but not so large that the plant becomes unstable. Fill the container with room temperature water, preferably filtered or distilled water if possible. While peace lilies can tolerate tap water in many areas, excessive chlorine and minerals may stress the plant over time. Place the roots in the container and make sure they are submerged while keeping the crown, where the leaves meet the roots, above the water line. If the crown sits in water continuously, it may rot. Decorative pebbles, marbles, or small stones can be placed around the roots to support the plant and create a beautiful display. The right container turns your peace lily into a stunning natural centerpiece. Step 3. Provide bright, indirect. Light plays a major role in keeping your water-grown peace lily healthy and vibrant. In nature, peace lilies grow beneath the canopy of tropical forests where they receive filtered sunlight rather than direct sun. Recreating this environment inside your home is essential. Place your plant near a bright window where it receives plenty of indirect light throughout the day. An east-facing window often works perfectly because it provides gentle morning sunlight. If only stronger windows are available, position the plant a few feet away from direct rays. Too much sun can scorch the leaves, turn them yellow, and even encourage algae growth in the water. On the other hand, very low light may slow growth and reduce flowering. Peace lilies are adaptable plants and can even tolerate fluorescent lighting, making them excellent office companions. Providing the proper balance of bright, indirect light encourages lush foliage, stronger roots, and the possibility of those elegant white blooms appearing again. Step 4. Change the water regularly. One of the biggest secrets to success with hydroponic peace lilies is maintaining clean water. Unlike plants growing in soil, your peace lily depends entirely on the quality of the water surrounding its roots. Over time, stagnant water can become low in oxygen and allow bacteria or algae to develop. To prevent these problems, replace the water every 1 to 2 weeks. When changing the water, Remove the plant gently and rinse the roots under room temperature water. You can also wash the inside of the container to remove any slippery residue or mineral buildup. Refill the vase with fresh water and place the plant back carefully. Observe the roots during each cleaning session. Healthy roots should remain firm and light-colored. If you notice unpleasant odors, slimy roots, or yellow leaves, it may be a sign that the water has not been changed often enough. A consistent cleaning routine keeps your peace lily healthy, attractive, and growing vigorously. Step 5. Feed and maintain your peace lily. Although peace lilies can survive in plain water for some time, they eventually need nutrients to continue growing and producing beautiful foliage. Since there is no soil to provide minerals, you will need to supplement the plant occasionally. Add a few drops of liquid hydroponic fertilizer or a highly diluted houseplant fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks. Less is often better because overfeeding can damage the delicate roots and cause leaf problems. Regular maintenance is equally important. Remove any yellow, damaged, or aging leaves to encourage new growth and keep the plant looking fresh. Wipe dust from the leaves occasionally with a soft cloth because clean leaves absorb light more efficiently. Continue monitoring the roots and water level throughout the year. Healthy roots should remain firm and creamy white. With a simple feeding schedule and routine care, your peace lily can remain beautiful for years and become one of the easiest and most rewarding houseplants you have ever grown. Growing a peace lily in water proves that gardening doesn't have to be complicated. With a healthy plant, a suitable container, proper lighting, fresh water, and occasional feeding, you can enjoy a beautiful soil-free houseplant that looks elegant in any room. One of the most rewarding parts of this method is being able to watch the roots develop and thrive inside a clear vase. It creates a unique living display that combines nature and decoration in one simple project. Best of all, maintaining a water-grown peace lily often requires less effort than traditional potted plants. If you've never tried hydroponic gardening before, this is the perfect plant to begin with. Give these 5 simple steps a try and see how easy it can be to transform an ordinary peace lily into a stunning indoor centerpiece. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss more simple plant growing secrets that can make your home greener and more beautiful.